Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are safe at home. Yes, children, don't go outside, children. Okay? Corona is there. Are you taking lemonade, children? Every day we have to drink 2 glasses of lime juice. Okay? Yes. Now coming to the class. In the previous class, what you have learned, children? We discussed about multiplication of 2-digit number by 2-digit number, 4-digit number by 1-digit number, and 3-digit number by 3-digit number, right? Yes. In today's class, we are going to learn about multiplication techniques and estimation of products. Okay, children? Yeah. Before going to start my class, I want to start my class with an example. Shall we take one example, children? Are you ready? Yes. So, what is meant by multiplication? What is the definition of multiplication? Multiplication means repeated addition of the same number. What is the symbol of multiplication? Into. Yes. So, take an example. 4286 into 22. Okay. 23. So, is a 4-digit number by 2-digit. Shall we take? Yeah. So, first write down the number 4286 into 23. So, the whole number should be multiplied by 1's place digit, that is 3, and the whole number should be multiplied by 10's place digit, that is 2. So, first start with the 1's place digit. What is 1's place digit? 3. What is 10's place digit? 2. So, this 4286 should be multiplied by 3. So, start with 3. 3 6 are how much, children? 3 6 are 18. So, 8 right here. And 1 is the carry over, is forwarded to the next place. Again, 3 8s are how much? 24. 3 8s are 24 plus 1, how much? What is the carry here? 1. 24 plus 1, how much? 25. So, 5 right here and 2 is the carry, is forwarded to the next place. Next, 3 2s are how much, children? Very good. 3 2s are 6 plus 2. Carry is 2. 6 plus 2, how much, children? 8. 8 right here. 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8. Next, 3 4s are how much? 12. 12 we have to write here because after 4 we don't have digits. So, shall we check again? 3 6 are 18. 8 right here. 1 is the carry. 3 8s are 24. 24 plus 1, 25. 5 right here and 2 is the carry. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 3 4s are 12. Now, the whole number should be multiplied by 10's place digit. So, for 1's place, put into, or 0 also you can put. So, put into, because we are doing with 10's place digits. So, start with 10's place. So, 2, now cross out these. Okay, cut these carries. Now, 2 6 are how much? 12. 2 6 are 12. So, 2 right here at 10's place and 1 is the carry, is forwarded to the next place. 2 6 are 12. 2 right here, 1 is the carry. 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. What is the carry, children? 1. So, plus 1. 16 plus 1, how much? 17. So, 7 right here and 1 is the carry, right? Are forwarded to the next place. Next, 2 2s are how much? 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. 2 2s are 4. What is the carry? 1. So, 4 plus 1 is 5. So, 5 right here. Next, 2 4s are 8. Now, we have to take addition. We have to add these two numbers. Shall we check again? 2 6 are 12. 2 right here, 1 is the carry. 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. 7 right here and 1 is the carry, is written in the next place. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 4s are 8. Now we have to add. The same number will come 8. 5 plus 2 how much? 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. 8 plus 7 how much, children? Very good. 15. So 5 right here and 1 is the carry. And 1 plus 2 how much, children? 3. 3 plus 5? 8. Next 1 plus 8 how much? 9. So what is the answer? It is 98,578. 8, the same number. 5 plus 2 is 7. 8 plus 7 is 15. So 5 right here, 1 is the carry. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. 1 plus 8 is 9. So what is the answer? 98,578 is the answer. Children, tell me, the answer in the multiplication is known as, very good, product. So what is the product? This is the product. 98,578 is the product. What is the answer item? 98,578. So the answer is known as product. And what are the factors, children? This is factor. 4,286 is a factor. This is another factor. 2 factors we have. Have you understood, children? This is our standard multiplication. Note it down, children, please. Yeah, you can pause the video and you can note. Next, I want to take our textbook problems. Yeah, from page number 122, exercise number 3.1. Page number 122, exercise number 3.1. So I want to take the second bit, fill in the missing digits. Fill in the missing digits. Fill in the missing digits. A bit 300 into 248 is equal to dash 4 dash 0 0. So we have to fill these missing digits. Okay, from exercise number 3.1, 122 page number. This one I am going to do now. So take multiplication. 300, 3 digit number by 3 digit number, 248. Yeah, first 300 should be multiplied by 8, then it should be multiplied by 4, then it should be multiplied by 2. So first we have to start with ones place digit, that is 8. So 8 into 0, 8 zeros are 0. 8 into 0, 8 zeros are 0. 8 threes are how much? 24. 8 threes are 24. So 24 completely we have to write here. After this we don't have digits. So next I am doing with tens place digit. What is the tens place digit here? Very good. 4. Start with 4. So for ones place we have to put cross mark. Start with tens place because we are doing with tens place digit. Okay. 4 into 0. 4 zeros are 0. If a number is multiplied by 0, the answer is 0. 4 zeros are 0. 4 zeros are 0. 4 threes are how much, children? 12. Complete 12 you have to write here. 4 threes are 12. Have you understood? Next, coming to the hundreds place digit. What is the hundreds place digit here? 2. Now do with 2 everyone. So for ones place we have to put the mark and tens place we have to put the into. Start with the hundreds place because we are doing with the hundreds place digit, right? Yeah, 2 into 0. 2 zeros are 0. 2 into 0. 2 zeros are 0 and 2 threes are how much, children? 6. Very good. Now take addition. 0. Okay. 0 plus 0 how much? 0. 4 plus 0 how much, children? 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. Next 2 plus 2 how much? 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. 1 plus 6 how much? 7. So what is the product here? It is 74,400. 74,400. Now missing digits we have to write. So here ones place digit is 0. Tens place digit is 0. What is hundreds place digit? 4. Next, what is thousands place digit? 4. Next, what is 10,000s place digit? 7. Have you understood, children? Please note it down. Next, I want to take second bit. 628 into 378 is equal to 2 dash dash 3 dash 4. Okay, children, shall we do this one? Everyone along with me, do in your books. Come on. 628 into 378. Yeah. First do with 8, next do multiplication with 7, next this whole number should be multiplied by 3. So first start with 8. 8 8s are how much? 8 8s are 64. So 4 write at ones place and 6 is the carry. Is written in the tens place. 8 2s are how much? 8 2s are 16. 16. 8 2s are 16. But what is the carry? 6. 16 plus 6 how much, children? Yes, 22. Am I right, children? Yes. Next, 8 6 are how much? 8 6 are how much, children? 48. 8 6 are 48. So 8 6 are 8 8s are 64. 4 right here. 6 is the carry. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 6 how much? 22. So 2 right here and 2 is the carry. Okay, now 8 6 are how much? 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 2, carry is 2, so 50. Okay, children, write 50 here. Now cut these carries. Next, do with the 7. With the tens place digit we are doing now. So for ones place put cross mark, start with the tens place. Okay, children, next come to the 7 table. Children, tables are very important. Without knowing tables, very difficult to do multiplication. So learn, everyone, 2 to 12 tables. Okay, children? Yes. Next, 7 8s are 56. Okay, children? 7 8s are 56. So 6 right here and 5 is the carry. Next, 7 2s are how much? 14. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 5 how much? 19. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 5 how much? 19. So 9 right here and 1 is the carry. Okay, children? Yes. Next, 7 6 are how much again? 42. 7 6 are 42. What is the carry here? 1. 42 plus 1 how much? 43. So write 43 here. Shall we check again? 7 8s are 56. 6 right here, 5 is the carry. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 5, 19. 9 right here, 1 is the carry. 8 6, 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 1 how much? 43. Now do with 3. Okay, children? So we are doing with the hundreds place digit. So for ones place put multiplication symbol into, and for tens place also into, start with the hundreds place. Now 3 8s are how much? 3 8s are 24. So 4 right here, cut these carries. Okay, 3 8s are 24, 4 right here and 2 is the carry. Next, 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 how much, children? 8. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So 8 right here. Next, 3 6 are how much? 18. 18. So 18 we have to write completely here. Okay? 3 8s are 24. 4 right here. 2 is the carry. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 3 6 are 18. Okay children, have you understood? Yeah, now take addition. So here put 0, 0. Now the same number 4. Next 2 plus 6, how much children? Very good. 8. 9 plus 4 is 13. So 3 right here and 1 is the carry. Okay. 9 plus 4 is 13. So 3 right here and 1 is the carry. 1 plus 5, how much children? 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. So 7 right here and 1 is the carry. Is written in the next place. We have to write below the line. Here carries we have to write below the line. 1 plus 4, how much children? 5. 5 plus 8, how much? 13. So 3 right here, 1 is the carry. Okay? 1 plus 1 is 2. So what is the answer? 23,000. Sorry. Put comma here. 1's place, 10's place, 100's place after 1 comma. 1,000, 10,000 after 1 comma. 2,37,384 is the answer. Okay, shall we? Now we have to write these missing digits. So what is 1's place digit? 4. What is 10's place digit? What is 10's place digit? 8. So write 8 here. Next, what is 100's place digit? 3. Next, 1000's place digit is 7. Yes. Next, what is 10,000's place digit? 3. What is lakh's place digit? 2. In this way, we will write the missing digits. Have you understood, children? Please note it down. Yeah. You can pause the video and you can note down the steps. Yeah, next, I am going to explain about multiplication technique. Next concept is multiplication technique. Multiplication technique. Multiplication technique I want to give you. So this multiplication technique can be used when both the numbers have the same digits at tens place and the sum of the digits at the ones place of both the numbers is 10. So it is applicable only for a 2-digit number. For example, 59 into 51. Sorry. 56 into 54. Take 56 into 54. So this multiplication I am going to solve now using technique. So this technique is applicable when, so 56 into 54. So is a 2-digit number, 1's place and 10's place. So check the digits at 1's place. 6 plus 4 how much? 10. And 5 and 10's place digits are same. So this technique is applicable when the digits at 10's place are same and the sum of the digits at 1's place is 10. Then only we can use this technique. Now check here, the digits at 10's place are same and the sum of the digits at 1's place is 6 plus 4 is how much? 10. So sum of ones place digits should be 10 and the tens place digits same, should be same. Then only you can use this technique. So what is the first condition? Sum of ones place digits should be 10. Now ones place digit 10. 6 plus 4 how much? 10. So the okay, first condition is fulfilled. Next, tens place digits. Tens place digits same. So here the tens place digits are same. Okay. So what is the technique? What we have to do? So first we have to multiply 6 4s are how much? 6 into 4. 6 4s are 24, right? 24. And 5 after number. What is 5 after number? 6. So 5 6 are how much? 30. This is the answer. Very easy using technique. Okay. 6 4s are 24. 6 into 4. 6 4s are 24. And 5 after number we have to take. 5 after number is 6. 5 6 are 30. Write down the 30. This is the answer. Very simple. If you have any doubt, you can check with the normal multiplication also. You will get the same answer. This is using technique. When we have to use this technique, if sum of ones place digits is the same, is 10, and tens place digits are same, then only we can use this technique. So here we can use, because 6 plus 4 is 10, and at a tens place we have the same numbers. So first what we have to do to get answer? 6 into 4. Ones place digits should be multiplied. 6 4s are 24. 5 after number is 6. 5 6 are 30. So 3024 is the answer, product. So what is the answer? $3,024. Note it down, children. Using technique I did this multiplication. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can check with the normal multiplication also. Shall we take one more example? Yes. Note it down. Meanwhile, second example. $63 into 67. Okay, what is second example? 63 into 67. So 63 into 67. Ones place, tens place. So what is first condition? Sum of ones place digits should be 10. 3 plus 7 how much? 10. So first condition is okay. 10. You got 10. First condition is applied here. And what is the second condition? Tens place digits should be same. So 6 plus 6. What is 6? 6 means same digits. So we can use this technique to get the answer. So first what we have to do? We have to take multiplication. So what is first what we have to do? 3 into 7. 3 7s are 21. So write 21. Well, 6. 6 after second step. What is that same digit here? 6. 6 after what number you will get? 7. So 6 into 7. 6 7s are how much? 42. So write down 42. This is the answer. Very simple, children, using technique. First 3 into 7. 3 7s are 21 right here. 6 after number is 7. 6 7s are 42. Note it down, children. Have you understood, children? Is it difficult? No, it is very easy using technique. Okay, but we have some conditions, 2 conditions that we have to follow to use this technique. Okay, shall we take one more example? Yes. Anything you can take. 48 into 42. So what is the answer? 48 into 42. Ones place digit, tens place digit. So check 2 conditions. Sum of ones place digits should be 10. 8 plus 2 how much? 10. And what is the second condition? Tens place digit should be same. So 4. Tens place digits are same. So how to write answer? First we have to take multiplication. 8 2s are 16. Next 4, 8 into 2. 8 2s are 16. Second step, what is 4's after number? 5. So 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20. So write down 20. This is the product. 2016. Using technique, we will solve the multiplications in this way. Have you understood, children? Very good. Where do you use these techniques, children? While writing the competitive examinations, these techniques are very useful to us to reduce the calculating time. Using standard multiplication, it takes time to get the answer, but using technique, okay, we can reduce the time of calculation. Have you understood, children? Please note it down. So the next concept I want to take, estimation of products. Next concept is estimation of products. Estimation of products means estimation. What is meant by estimation? In the first chapter, you have learned about this. Estimation means some rough values, approximate values we have to take, rounding of numbers to the nearest tens and hundreds places. Okay, children, so here we are taking the now estimation for products. Shall we take one example here? For example, tell me, children, 138 is, what is its estimated value? What is its nearest hundreds value? So it is nearest to 138 is nearest to 100. Have you understood, children? So rough value of 138 is 100. Now children, tell me 192. What is its estimated value? 192 is rounded off to which 100? Nearest 100? 200. Okay? 200, because 92 is greater than 50. We have to take the right side number. 100, 200. 192 is here. Right side number we have to take. If 92 is greater than 50, then we have to take the right side number. Here 138 means here it will come. 138 is, we have to check with 38. 38 is less than 50, so take left side number. So these are the approximate values or rough values or estimated values. So estimated values or rough values. Shall we take one example now? We are taking estimation of products. $284 into 14. I am going to calculate now estimation of product. So here 284 is rounded off to which 100, children? It is nearest to 300. Yes, it is in between 200 and 300. So here it will come 284. It is close to 300. So its rough value is 300. Our estimated value of 284 is 300. Now shall we take multiplication? So 300 into 14. Okay. Now do with 4. 4 into 0. 4 zeros are 0. 4 into 0. 4 zeros are 0. 4 threes are how much? 4 threes are 12. Now for ones place put multiplication symbol into and start with tens place. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 3, 3. Plus 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 3 is 4. What is the product now? 4,200. That too it is estimated product. Estimated product, rough value. Okay children, what is the estimated product? 4200, because I didn't take the 284. Its estimated value I have taken here. Its rough value is 300. It is rounded off to the nearest 100, that is 300. 300 into 14. So 4200 is the estimated product. Have you understood children? Note it down. Now I will take another example. Yes. Second one, 84 into 26. I am going to find estimated product of these two numbers. Yeah, now, so first 84 is rounded off to which is a 2-digit number, so we have to take the nearest tens place. So 84 is rounded off to which number children? Very good. So we know that it is between 80 and 90. 81, 82, 83, here 84 will come. So it is rounded off to 80. Okay children? So now take estimated product, 80 into 26. 6 into 0, how much? 6 zeros are 0. 6 8s are, how much children? 6 8s are 48. Into 2 into 0, how much children? 2 zeros are 0. 2 8s are, how much children? 2 8s are 16. Plus 0, 8, 6 plus 4 is 10. 0 right here, 1 is the carry. 1 plus 1 is 2. So what is the estimated product? 2080. So 84 is rounded off to 80. Its rough value or estimated value is 80, right? 80 here and to 26. So now 6 into 0 is 0, 6 8s are 48 into 2 into 0, 0, 2 8s are 16. Now take addition 0. 8 plus 0 is 8, 6 plus 4 is 10, 0 right here, 1 is the carry, 1 plus 1 is 2. 2080 is the estimated product. So what is the estimated product? 2080. So these are the estimated products. In this way we will find out the estimation of products. Have you understood children? One value should be rounded off. Okay children? We will stop here children, and in the next class we will solve word problems on multiplication. Take care children.